Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code and Chill. Today we'll learn how you can merge two dictionaries in a very simple way. So let's create two dictionaries. So it will contain few elements. Let's add few elements over here. Maybe just let it have two elements. Let's create another dictionary. Okay, so two dictionaries have been created. So let's merge them to the third dictionary using the single line operator. This is the official method accepted by Python. So using this you can merge two dictionaries. So let's just print the new dictionary that we have created. So as you can see, there are two elements in first and two elements in second. The merged dictionary contains four elements, each one appearing in the resulting dictionary, four elements. So this is how you can merge two dictionaries. One extra point to notice over here is that if you have some repeating elements, suppose the same C with key and value, suppose be 67. Suppose C is here with 67 value and C is over here in the second dictionary as value 36. So if we merge them, let's see what happens. So as you can see, we didn't get the repeated item, we got the C value but 36. The resultant dictionary contained this value, not this value. So one point to notice is that if there are repeating elements in the first dictionary, then if those repeating elements are present in the same dictionary in the second one, then Python will ignore the repeating element in the first one and pick the second element of the second dictionary. So if you have D over here as well, so if you have D over here, and let's just so run it. So here you can see this D 456 has also been ignored and we have just D70 over here. So this is an extra point to notice. This is how you can easily merge two dictionaries. Thank you and have a nice day.